So I'll talk about ezVM. So the problem we have with in CompatibleOne is we have to solve is we are going to use several hypervisors, several cloud providers, and there's no standard. So we have an interoperability problem because we have to provide image like they show you earlier that are possible to run on any cloud provider. If you're going to use EC2 or OpenStack or anything like that, there's no format which are always in common. So if you're going to use EC2, it's AMI. If you're going to use OpenStack, you can use AMI, but you can use RAW too. And if you use Windows Azure, I even don't know what the format is, but it's not AMI, I'm sure. It's something else. So you have to provide a service which is going to do this job for CompatibleOne, and ezVM is doing this. So what it provides to CompatibleOne, it's a virtual machine description using OCCI. If you paid attention to what Fabio showed you in the manifest just a few minutes ago, you saw the image description with package on the system, which was done with Cossacks earlier, and the image which is composed of several packages and one system. And the one category you didn't see is VM. A VM is an image for one cloud provider. So you describe your image like you saw in the demo, but you want it for EC2, you want it for OpenStack, and that's a VM. It's an image for this provider. All these categories are registered inside ezVM. So basically, ezVM is the registry of all image description and all images you built in CompatibleOne. So you can query it, look for what have been built before, what is available. It's going to store images too. So it's going to use its own storage, which can be its own storage on the file system, or maybe if you're going to build an image for OpenStack or EC2, it will store it near the platform if possible. And finally, it will provide the image to the delivery service to deploy the image if it can't store it near the platform. So this is basically how it works. You got the parser, which is parsing the XML file, the manifest file, which is using ezVM to build instances of OCCI categories of package, image, and things like that. And ezVM is registering it in its registry parts. It will then use the image production service to build the image if it's not available. If it's already available for any other platform, you may have built earlier this image for EC2, for example, or for OpenStack. Maybe you want to deploy this same image, but on another cloud provider. So it will try to convert using its internal tool the image in this format to go faster. But if it can't do it, it will use the image production service again to rebuild this same image, but for the provider you asked for, and it will store the image which are produced by the image production service. And finally, it will communicate with the proxy via the image delivery service to provide the image to the proxy so it can instantiate it and it can run the virtual machine. And that's it.